This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Chinese eggplant with spicy garlic sauce, or 鱼香茄子. Let's start with the eggplant. I have here 700 grams of eggplant. Remove the top. Then cut them into about 4 finger width in length. Then cut each piece into quarters. The back end of the eggplant is rather thick, so I'll cut them into even smaller pieces. But in the end, you want each piece to be roughly about the same size. Next, we'll cut out the aromatics and make the sauce. For the aromatics, separate the white and green parts of 2 spring onions. Chop them up into smaller pieces. Chop up 4 cloves of garlic. Mince about 1 tablespoon of ginger. You will also need 1 tablespoon of spicy bean paste. For the sauce, into 200 ml of water, mix in 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Mix all this well till the cornflour dissolves. Then set it aside. In a wok over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add ginger, garlic, and the white parts of the spring onions. And 1 tablespoon of spicy bean paste. Fry all this for a minute till everything is fragrant. At this point, I will sometimes add some mincemeat into the pan, but I'm not doing this today. Next, add in the eggplant. There are 3 ways you can cook and soften the eggplant. Firstly, you can steam it for 6 to 8 minutes. Secondly, you can microwave it for about 8 to 10 minutes. And the third way is how I would usually do it. I will fry the aromatics, then steam the eggplants in the wok. I keep everything in one pot. This is a lot faster and it saves you an extra step, and you do not need to wash so many dishes. Next, add 500 ml of water. Bring all this to a boil, then lower it to a simmer. Simmer for about 13 to 15 minutes till everything is soft. You should only have a little liquid left at the bottom of the pan at the end of this simmering process. But do be careful not to let the water dry out or you'll burn the dish. I've added some more water along the way. I like my eggplants really soft, so sometimes I would simmer it even longer. But what's important is not the amount of water you use, but how tender you want your eggplants to be. Therefore, adjust the amount of water and timing accordingly. Next, add in the sauce. When the sauce is thick enough, we are done. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, turn off the heat. Mix in the green parts of the spring onions. Finish the dish with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This is Chinese eggplant with spicy garlic sauce, or 鱼香茄子.